how to fix Star Wars Battlefront II black screen at startup. Hey guys, today I'm gonna walk you through how to fix any kind of black screen or stuck loading screen issues you might be dealing with in Battlefront 2. So make sure you stick around till the end because I'll walk you through it step by step, and by the time we're done, you'll know exactly what to do. Alright, let's get into the fix. So the first thing, head over to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Windows Start icon. Then just use the search bar and type in Windows Defender Firewall. Once you see it in the search results, go ahead and hit enter. Now that you're inside Windows Defender Firewall, look to the top left of the window and click where it says Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Once you're in there, you'll see a new list pop up. What you need to do next is click on the Change Settings button in the top right corner. It might ask for admin access, just accept it. After that, click on Allow another app at the bottom. Now here's the part where it depends on your PC. When the little window pops up and asks you to browse, you'll need to manually locate where Battlefront 2 is installed on your system. That's usually somewhere in Program Files or in your Origin Steam folder, depending on how you installed it. Once you find the game's exe file, just click Open, then hit Add. That's it. You've just allowed the game through the firewall, and that can fix a lot of the black screen or loading issues players run into. And there you go, that's one of the most common solutions that actually works. Thanks for sticking around till the end, and I'll catch you in the next one.